Hello, my name is Liam Larcantes Ehe, and I'm about to teach you Arts Lesson 4 Mindanao Architecture made by Liam Larcantes Ehe and Nathan James P. Legati. And also, these are the types of houses in Mindanao. Number 1, Bajau houses. Bajau or Bajau means man of the seas. This tribal group is known for sea Egyptians because they moved the wind and the tide on their small houseboat called Vintas. They can be found in many coastal settlements and inhabit the waters and shores with Sulu archipelago.
Hi, my name is Nathan James P. Lagatic, and these are the types of houses in Mindanao. Number 2, Maranao Torogan. The Torogan was one of the sultanates of Lanao symbol of power. It was the core of Maranao traditional statecraft customs, art and culture. It is commonly found in Marawi City and other areas in Lanao del Sur province.
So, as James said, the Torogan is one of the sultanates in Lanao's symbol of power, and also the traditional statecraft, customs, art, and culture. So let's now move on to the next one, which is the examples. This is example of Bajau houses. As you can see, ito yung houses nila, which is from water instead from land like modern houses. And they mostly live across. Kita dito, mas malayo talaga sila dito. Yan, kita natin yan. And also, they also move on um, boats so they can travel from house to houses. And next, this is the example of Maranao Torogan. And on here, you can see it's like on stilts on it, so it can balance the weight of the house while also having a second floor right here, like a triangle shape. But unlike the Bajau houses, this one actually lives on land. So next, this is another type of houses in Mindanao. Number 3, Samal houses in Jolo. A house built on stilts. Below it is a crystal clear water with lots of colorful fish. Samal is considered to be the country's largest resort city or island, with its powdery beaches and numerous beach resorts. It is also numerous marine reefs and tranquil waters that lure tourists, especially the Talikod Island. The, the, des- the designs of the Samal houses are inspired by the actual designs of Samal tribe of Mindanao whose members were usually seafarers. And Jolo. See, these are some tourists on the background, and it's actually on crystal clear water, and it like the Bajau house. It lives on the watery sea. Next, so this number 4, Tausug houses. The Tausug house is typically consists of singular rectangular room. I mean, typically consists of a single rectangular room, bamboo or timber walled with a thatched roof raised upon the post about 2 to 3 meters above the ground. Just like the base, their houses are elevated on the hill or sea and consist on the ancient accent to give the sense of royalty. And Harv is the example of the Tausug houses that lives on land. As you can see, this one is built on stilts and made from other materials like bamboo and timberwood and etc. And this one is the Tausug houses but on water. It's more it's more stilts than the other one, but it's still a Tausug houses. Very hard to identify each one. And this is another type of houses in Mindanao called the Tiboli houses. The Tiboli is one of the 87 tribal groups in the Philippines which make up 15% of the population. They number approximately 60,000 in the reside inland from southern coast of Mindanao. Houses are spread sparsely over the entire Tiboli area. And this is example of the Tivoli houses. As you can see, it's still built on stilts, and the other one, like the modern houses today. But this one is more um old timey than this on the back. Same lang po yan sa mga iba, pero hindi na po ito sa C. And now, thank you so much for listening to our presentations and answering our questions. This is made by Group 2 Arts Lesson 4, made by Liam and James.